Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to your Microsoft account and enable Microsoft Rewards to start earning points. Use Microsoft Edge and the Bing search engine while signed in for qualifying searches. Sync your account across devices to combine searches and maximize your daily points total. Check that your account shows an active rewards banner at the top right of the page. Enable optional settings, like search history and personalization, to ensure searches count toward your balance. Do qualifying Bing searches while signed in to earn points per search on desktop and mobile. Aim to perform searches throughout the day to reach the daily cap of points available to your account. Complete the daily set, quizzes, and offer tiles on the rewards dashboard to increase the total points you earn. Use separate browser profiles only if each is signed in to a rewards-enabled Microsoft account. Avoid automated search tools. Only natural searches count. Monitor your points and daily progress on the Microsoft Rewards dashboard to stay on track. Redeem points for rewards like gift cards, charity donations, or sweepstakes entries available in the rewards store. Keep an eye on point costs. Many gift cards cost around 5,000 points, and larger rewards cost proportionally more. Set a goal and schedule searches to meet that goal consistently across days and weeks. Watch for bonus promotions that temporarily increase points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.